It's beard season, and everywhere you look now, whether you're walking around doing some holiday shopping, or maybe you're watching a movie like Dune or Eternals, you're gonna notice that facial hair is hot, hot, hot. It's very trendy and popular right now, and so you might be thinking, how can I elevate my grooming to reach that celebrity status? Well, you came to the right place. That's what today's video is all about. Celebrities like Ryan Reynolds, Oscar Isaac, Drake, when it comes to grooming, they don't miss. Right? And that's what I want for you. On this channel, we discuss everything from men's fashion, hair, grooming, health, dating. It's my job to make your life better, easier, and more amazing. If that's something that you're interested in, then hit that subscribe button below because that helps me grow and motivates me to post more videos here on YouTube. Now, the first thing that you have to do to get a celebrity status grooming, you have to trim those eyebrows, man. You have to trim your eyebrows so they all look even. Look. Every hair strand, they grow at a different pace, right? So sometimes you get one hair that grows faster than the rest, and when you have uneven eyebrow hairs, you can just end up looking like a caveman. So celebrities will always keep an eye out for unruly hairs that might be growing faster than others. This only needs to be done once every couple of weeks, by the way. It's a quick fix that makes your eyebrows look way more even and less wild. And overall, it's just gonna make your face look more even and proportional. Also, you should be adding vitamin C to your skincare routine. I've recently done that, and man, it is incredible. It really hydrates my skin. Vitamin C promotes collagen production as well, which is going to diminish those fine lines and is essential for firm, youthful skin. Vitamin C serums always get that boost in sales in the fall season as the weather gets colder because your skin needs it because it gets drier in those seasons. Dry skin is not attractive, right? It can get flaky, you can get irritated, and vitamin C, when combined with a consistent skincare routine, will help fix that. Number 3, of course, as you can see in movies like Thor, Man of Steel, Fight Club, celebrities have perfectly trimmed chest and arms and bodies in general. They don't mess around with their manscaping, especially if they're trying to show off their fitness gains, right? Arm hair is going to hide your muscle definition. Same goes for your chest hair. That's why you don't see a single hairy professional bodybuilder. It would hide all of their muscle definition. Now, you know, I'm no bodybuilder, but I'll definitely do what I can to enhance my muscle definition. So I trim my arms, my legs, my stomach, and I do that with this beautiful trimmer called the Lawnmower 4.0 by Manscaped. Manscaped sponsored today's video, and as you can tell by their name, they have perfected the manscaping tools that you need to keep yourself well groomed this season. The Lawnmower 4.0 is ergonomic, it's waterproof, so you can trim in the shower to make your life easier. It has this LED light that's very powerful, so you can trim in those hard to see places and hard to reach places. And the best feature it has to offer is the technology that Manscaped is known for. This trimmer has a system here to help prevent nicks, tugs, and cuts so that you can trim your sensitive areas safely. Now look, I don't know if you've ever experienced a nick down there from a trimmer, but if you haven't, then you don't know what pain is, all right? It's not fun. And with the holiday season fast approaching, I can't believe I'm even saying that, the Performance Package 4.0 bundle is the perfect gift. Whether you want to help a friend out or your girl watching this and your boyfriend is slacking on his grooming, this is a perfect gift. Manscaped has a body wash, cologne, and so many other tools to make sure that you look your best. And because it's the holidays, we have a great deal for you guys who watch my videos. That's why I highly recommend you subscribe, all right? I always try to get you guys the best deals here on the channel, like this deal from Manscaped. You get 20% off, plus free shipping and 2 free gifts instantly when you use my link below, manscaped.com/Alex. This is an amazing deal. Thank you, Manscaped, for hooking us up. Go check them out and get your grooming up to a celebrity level. Now, the next one is an interesting one that I just started doing, especially now that I'm here in New York City and it's a different bathroom. Blasting your razor with a hairdryer is going to boost the longevity of the razor. Now, why does that happen? Dullness or corrosion, right? It comes from oxidation and rusting on the razor. That's because you're leaving water there to dry on the razor every time you use it. You use the razor, you get it done, and then you wash it with water, and then you just put the razor away. And it just dries there with that water, and that causes rusting, which causes the blade to be very dull and dangerous, and it's going to definitely hurt you. Now, if you guys watch my videos, you most certainly have hair dryers because you know that your hairstyle is gonna be so much better if you're using a blow dryer. So just take that blow dryer that you already have and just blast that razor for 10 seconds, get that water out of there, then put it away and your razor will last for so much longer. Shaving with a dull razor is no way to go. All right, I'm telling you, you are definitely not gonna like that experience. So make sure that you're taking care of your razors. And if you need a good razor for your sensitive areas, Manscaped also has you covered. Now, the next one is something that I used to hate. That used to happen to me all the time. If you guys wear like turtlenecks, for example, or more commonly the white shirts, right? The Oxford shirts. What happens is you can see the color, the inside of your color getting darker and darker. It gets a little yellow and then it just looks dirty. It basically starts to stain, and that's not a good look. It makes your shirt look so much older than it really is. And the best way of taking care of that, believe it or not, is actually by taking care of your neck. You have to make sure that you're washing your neck properly. Now, yes, of course, use face wash on your neck. That is the best thing that you can do for your neck. And then apply a moisturizer as well. That's great on a day-to-day basis. But twice a week, what I'm gonna recommend is exfoliate your neck. And that is for two reasons. One, it's going to get rid of all of those dead skin cells around your neck, and it's going to get rid of those ingrown hairs that I hate so much, and I'm sure that you do as well. That's one huge reason. But two, by doing that and really cleaning your neck area, you are then not going to get those stains on those shirts anymore. So make sure that you're cleaning your neck and exfoliating twice a week to get rid of all of those stains inside that color of your white Oxford shirts. If you ignore this area here when it comes to your grooming and your skincare regimen, it's going to transfer all of that grime onto your shirt. So exfoliate the skin twice a week and you're good. One of the biggest mistakes that I see men making when it comes to facial hair grooming is the bottom line here of their beard. Too many guys use the jawline as a guide to line up their neck, and that is not what you should be doing. Right, I'm gonna help you guys out. This is life-changing, as you can see here by Oscar Isaac's impeccable beard. It doesn't just stop here, right at the jawline. It goes lower. And I'm gonna show you what you can do to have the same beard shape as Mr. Isaacs, who is a grooming god. Take your pointer finger right here, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna place this bad boy right above your Adam's apple. Right, so one finger above your Adam's apple, and you bring your beard down to that level. That way you're creating this perfect line here. Instead of having your beard just go down to your jawline, that is not good. It makes your face look rounder. It makes you look like you have a double neck. It's not the way to go, trust me. You can clearly see the difference between these two photos, and you can tell that this one on the left is way better. Pointer finger above your Adam's apple and make that perfect line and you're good to go. Guys, it's the holiday season, which is crazy. 2021 just flew by. I'm excited for the holiday season, and I'm excited for all of these deals that we have coming up on the channel, including this one, 20% off Manscaped, plus free shipping, plus 2 free gifts instantly when you use my link below, manscaped.com/Alex. It's the first link in the description below. You can also follow me on TikTok and Instagram. I've been posting there a lot, especially here from New York City while I'm doing my travels. Go check it out at Alex Costa. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again very soon.